Did you know the man who built the world's greatest love story died watching it from a prison window? Shah Jahan spent 22 years constructing the Taj Mahal for his wife Mumtaz, who died giving birth to their 14th child. He poured the equivalent of billions of dollars and the lives of 20,000 workers into a single tomb. It became the most recognized symbol of love in human history. Then his own son locked him away. Aurangzeb seized the Mughal throne in 1658, imprisoned his father in Agra Fort, and executed his own brothers to secure his grip on power. He presented himself as a righteous ruler, a man of God and discipline. But what he actually built was an empire rotting from the inside. And Shah Jahan? He spent his final 8 years in a tower, reportedly staring out at the Taj Mahal through a small window. The tomb he built for the woman he loved became the last thing he ever saw. The greatest monument to love became a monument to cruelty.